Hey yo, what is up? It's your boy Magz, and today I am reviewing a really cool accessory kit that every person, literally everyone, should have this. It's a multifunctional box that has a lot of accessories, stuff that you really need when you're like traveling and stuff like that, you know? So, let's get into it. So this is the box here, as you can see. It has on the box you can see there are a lot of stuff here made for mobile devices. Obviously it's from this brand, not really sponsored, but buy it like after I get sponsored, you know. You don't have to buy it right now, you buy it after I get sponsored. And you can buy whenever you want. Just don't forget to subscribe, yeah. Alright, so this is the front thing. On the side it says the same thing because it's the same thing, and now here's the back side where it shows everything, bro, like literally everything. Look. See that? Everything, my G. Alright, so in this box you have the card slot, a sim kit tool, another sim kit tool, a USB A thingy, C to A, USB. Oh, okay. So first of all, we have a USB-C to USB-C wire, and then we have a micro USB, a lightning cable, ejector pin, a normal USB, and this thing also doubles as a mobile stand. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's pretty much for the box. This is the stuff that comes with it. Multi-cable sim kit, TF card slot, phone cradle, yeah. Oh, the phone stand thing, yeah, fancy words, yeah. Anyways, so this is the box. Now we shall open this. I'm gonna put full strength into that, yeah. Alright, okay, drum roll please. Yay, we have the thing with the ting, yeah. This is why that's literally that comes in the box, nothing inside. So yeah, oh, it has the thingy. Okay, let's open this thing. Okay, that was a bit too harsh, not gonna lie. So here is the thing, the main event. Okay, I can't think of the phrase, I forgot. This is the main thing, the thing that's main, that's the thing that I'm making the video on, yeah. So yep, this is the thing, and then we have a warranty card. Do you think I'll fill this up? Heck, really, I really don't think I will, because I am one lazy person. Anyways, this is the box, the front side of the box. Very cool, very slick. I don't know what this, it's a bit weird-ish, but anyways, here's the back. I believe this is the cradle they were talking about, the stand, but we'll get to that later. Now let's just open this. So okay, 3 2 1, madness. So this is how far it goes. So yeah, here we have the USB-C to USB-C cable, a USB-C to micro USB adapter, a USB-C to lightning cable, and a USB-C to a normal USB. And here are like 2 nano SIM slots and 2 big SIM slot. I can see that. So yeah, a big SIM slot right here. It's called the TF card. So yeah, I don't know what that means. It probably means the, you know. Then here we have the ejector pin, and yeah, so let's take the wire out, you know, for more investigation how good this thing is and stuff. So here's the USB-C to USB-C wire. Not gonna lie, the feeling, like it feels really nice. I'm not gonna lie, it feels really nice. Like, it just feels nice, man. Leave me alone. And so here are the adapters. Okay, so here's the adapter for the micro. Oh, you have to push it forward. Oh, okay, that's cool. So here's the adapter for the micro USB, USB-C to micro USB, and here is the adapter for micro USB-C to the lightning cable. So you'll put a micro USB wire, this wire, in the lightning cable. I mean, like, yeah, man, you know, man. And then we have a normal USB adapter, a USB-C to normal USB adapter. You see that? Yeah. So okay, so I'm gonna attach the USB thing to the USB-C wire. Oh, did you hear that click, bro? That click was satisfying, man. So here it is connected, and then I'll connect my USB lightning cable, USB-C to lightning cable. Boom. Now you have a normal lightning cable charger. Oh wait, you don't need a lightning cable charger, you need a micro USB charger. Oh, what are we gonna do, bro? I have an idea. Let's take the lightning cable out, man, and put in the micro USB. Easy as 1 2 3. Now you have to go subscribe. Okay, never mind. That was a bad rhyme. You know, you have to do the marketing and that, yeah. Anyways, so yeah, so now you have a USB to a micro USB cable. So basically, when you're like traveling and stuff, and you have like a power bank, and you need a wire to like anything, so that's basically it, bro. You have everything now. Okay, I can't put this in. You basically have everything now. You can literally charge anything you want, from USB-C to to micro USB to lightning cable, anything. Let me get something to charge. Let me charge my PS4 controller, because why not, man? So I'm gonna put this in. Ayo, let's go, yeah. My thing, charging thing, amazing thing. So yeah, now you can charge your controller anywhere. I really doubt you'll need to charge it anywhere, but yeah. And then you can charge your iPhone. You can, if you have a USB-C Android phone, then you have an Android USB-C wire. So it's pretty cool, not gonna lie. And other than that, we also have a really cool place to store our nano sims and our TF sims. So it's pretty compact. It looks slick. It has an ejector pin, bro. It has everything you need, my guy. Like, you're traveling to another country, you want to change your sim, boom, you put your sim here, you put the other sim inside your phone. Oh, you don't have an ejector pin? Oh, bro, what you mean? You have it right here, my guy. Bro, you have no excuse, man. You have everything, bro. And you want to watch a movie while waiting on the airport or something, you come back here. You put your finger through this hole. You rip it apart. You pull it. You put it down. You put it like this. Then you bring a phone. My phone is this book. This is my phone. It's an iPhone 15 Pro Max. You don't know because it's from the future. And boom, you have a very own stand. Now you can watch Moon Knight, Doctor Strange on pirated websites, bro. You don't need to pay, bro. You just have a good stand, you have a pirated website, you're good to go, bro. I'm not by the way, you should watch movies in the cinemas, because it's not good to watch pirated movies. So yeah, very good boy. You don't do that. Bad things, yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the thing. You're done with your wires? Oh, by the way, when you want to close this, you put it back here, you push it down, you press it, and boom, you put your brain in this, and boom, you're smart. easy things. Okay, you're done with charging. You're done with charging your controller on the airport for no reason at all. Boom, take this thing out with a bit of force, but take it out. Put it back in the box with like so much pizzazz, bro. Look at this, bro. So it feels cool, bro. You don't even want to charge something, you'll take it out and you put it back in. That's how cool it feels. So I'm gonna, now I have my lightning cable, I don't need it. Put it here. Put it here, right? I push it back. Oh, okay, one second. Yeah. Push it back. Boom. Slick, my G. It's easy things, my guy. Where did it go? Okay, yeah, here. Your micro USB. You're done with it. You're done charging your controller. You're charging it on the air on your plane. You're done with it. Boom. You press it in, bro. You press it in. You push it back. Boom. It's in the place, my guy. It's everything is easy, bro. Okay, you're done with your USB-C to USB-C wire. You put it here. You can feel cool. You put it here. You feel cool, right? You don't leave it there. You put the wire here. You do the wiggly thingy. Put it like this. Okay, hear me out. You put it like this. You bring it here, and then you put it here. Boom, bro. You feel cool. You feel so cool, bro. Look at the clicks, my guy. Hear the clicks, bro. Bro, it feels nice. You do anything with it. You don't even want to use it, but you're just gonna use it for no reason. You'll take it out, you put it back in. That's how cool it is. It's amazing, bro. This thing could possibly save your life. How? I don't know, but it might save your life. I don't know. You might have it in your pocket. Someone might shoot you. Like stop it here. I don't know. It could save your life, bro. That's how good it is, bro. This thing is amazing, bro. Trust me, trust. You wanna buy it? I don't know, bro, where to buy it from. Go to my shop, which will be linked, which does not exist for now, but it will exist soon, because I am coming up with things you guys will like. So be sure to stay tuned for that thing, yeah. And if you guys want to learn how to open your PC just from Siri, all you're gonna say is, hey Siri, open my PC, or I'm gonna go nuts. Boom, your PC is gonna open. So stay tuned, subscribe, push the bell notifications, because I'll be posting that video soon and you might not know when I post it. So you gotta push the bell notification thing, man. You have to subscribe, you have to like, man, you have to comment, bro. You need to let me know what you need from me, my guy. So yeah, bro, I am hyperventilating for some reason. So that's it for me today. It's a really cool box. I recommend you buy it, because I am not sponsored, but I really want you guys to have something really cool. So that's it for the box thing, with the wire thing, with the stand thing, with the easy thing, bro, with the cool thing, my guy. I will stop saying thing. You guys enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'll be out now. Peace, my G.